back to my channel. It's me, Brittany, back with another video. So I went thrift shopping again. When do I not? That's all I do. Oh, I'm popular for once, what? Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna show you. I went to Goodwill and Salvation Army, so like it's a mixture. If you've seen my other thrift haul video, and definitely future ones to come, I like to DIY these shirts. I like to cut them the way that I want them. All of these shirts are from the men's section. I believe in the men's section. They have the best t-shirts. Because I go in the, and also the women's section is like more expensive. Tell me why, let me know. Let's just get on into it. The first shirt that I found, get ready. If you know me, you're not gonna be shocked. I found a Nationals baseball t-shirt. This is how I cropped it, but it's just a red t-shirt. There's nothing on the back. But yeah, that's the first one. The second one that I got was this Outer Banks t-shirt. It has the little John Deere symbol. It says equipment. It says North Carolina on it. You know, it's looking good. Here is how I cropped it, cut it, whatever I did to it. That's there's that one. The third shirt that I got was this AC/DC long sleeve shirt, which I'm definitely keeping it long sleeve because, you know, style. I mean, like, you could rock it, you could like tuck it into something. Why is the lighting all weird? It's definitely too white. Done. All right, so anyways, there's this shirt. This is how I cropped it. Okay, next shirt. I also got this. I've been sick for a week. I'm so sorry. My voice is probably really messed up. It's fine. I'm fine. I got this. It's like a off-white Quicksilver t-shirt, and definitely cutting this one. Let's put that right there. It's right here. Yeah. All of the t-shirts that I've shown you are like 99 cents. Still, that's a bargain. And then the last shirt that I got, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Yeah, this is the only one that I got from Goodwill, the only shirt that I got from Goodwill. It's very large. It's almost a dress right now, but here's what it looks like cropped. Right here. Yeah. All right. Those are all the shirts that I got home. I also got, I will show you like the things that I got if you're interested at all. So like everyone likes to make fun of me because my name's Brittany and they call me Britney Spears, but like little do they know that like I was actually obsessed with her. So I found this CD for 99 cents. Literally it has the Oops I Did It Again. It's got Lucky. It's got all the good songs that she had on this. Oh, Stronger. That was a good song. And then my wonderful boyfriend got me this adorable elephant. Oh my gosh, how could you not? It's so cute. It's so cute. Her little nubs for like the front. Oh my god, it's just like a little ball of cute. Anyways, thank you for watching. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Follow my social medias. They'll be down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.